Listen and repeat. You will hear 7 sentences. Listen to each sentence carefully. After the beep, repeat the sentence out loud. You have 7 seconds.
Welcome to the campus bus station. Please check the schedule for your bus. The blue line stops at every major building on the main campus. You must show your student ID card to the driver when you board. Buses arrive at this location every 15 minutes during the day. If you need to reach the library, please wait for the red bus on the opposite side of the street. Before you exit the vehicle, make sure that you have collected all of your personal bags and items.
Take an interview. An interviewer will ask you 4 questions on a single topic. Listen to each question carefully. After the beep, give your spoken answer. You have 30 seconds per question. Thank you for joining me. Please think back to the last time you prepared a meal for yourself or others, such as cooking a holiday dinner, trying a new recipe, or making a simple snack. What did you make, and why was that experience memorable for you? People approach cooking in very different ways. Some people find it a relaxing hobby and enjoy experimenting with new ingredients, while others see it as a daily chore and prefer quick, efficient methods. How do you usually approach cooking in your daily life, and why do you think you have that tendency? Now I would like your opinion. Some people argue that home-cooked meals are always superior to eating out at restaurants, regardless of the effort required. Do you agree with this view? Why or why not? One last question. Do you think schools and workplaces should prioritize teaching people how to cook healthy meals? For instance, should they offer free cooking classes or workshops to help people prepare their own nutritious food? Why or why not?